welcome back to my channel. It is Carli Ann on YouTube, and today is the long-awaited video of my makeup collection. So I'm so excited for you guys to see it. So let's get started. Okay, so this is my Alex drawers, and then this is what I have up here. So I just have a picture of my cat, and then I have the Kylie Nice palette, the Naked palette, Too Faced Sweet Peach, Kylie Peach, the Kylie Chris You're Doing Amazing Sweetie, the Sylvia Ganny palette, and then the Violet Voss Nicole Concilio. So in the top drawer I just have like skincare stuff. I'm not really gonna go in depth, but it's just like all just face masks and like creams and everything. But yeah, like this one's like the Pond's cleansing balm, and like a Clinique eye cream and all that stuff. I don't want to go in depth with that. This is all my highlighters and stuff. In the second drawer, I have the Anastasia Amrezi highlighter. I have some NYX stuff. I have the NYX foil play for the eyes. I have a NYX black hollow glitter, and then I also have a silver hollow glitter. And then I have 3 ColourPop shadows. I got all these organized. I got these from the Container Store. This one's from Five Below. And I have all these ColourPop highlighters. This is Stole the Show, Churro, and Monster. I have a Ofra highlighter. I got wax on it from my wax melter. Like all this is wax, so ignore that. But this is in Star Island. I got it in my Ipsy. It's very pretty. I have this Sephora Illuminator. I don't even think they sell this anymore. This is from like 2016. I also have this Too Faced bronzer in Sun Bunny. And then I have 2 milk sticks. This one is their cheek stick in Perk. And then this one is their glitter stick. It's super pretty. And then over here, I have like, I have my Kylie Cotton Candy Cream highlighter, super pretty. And then I have this Shot Miss A highlighter in Eris. I have this very pretty like blue highlighter. I have this Tarteist Pro Glow To Go. I have 2 of these. These are from my dollar makeup video. I have 2 of these powders. I use this one for a bronzer, and then this one's just a translucent setting powder. Bare Minerals bronzer that I got in Fair to Light. This one's okay. It's not my favorite bronzer, but like it's okay. And then I just have this little mini Ulta highlighter drops, this old lash glue, and then just some other random stuff that's not that important. And then I have this mini Bahama Mama from The Balm. It's a bronzer. It's like just a cute little mini size. I have my favorite bronzer. It's a sample I got at BeautyCon 2018. It's the Too Faced Chocolate Soy Light. It's like my favorite. I use it all the time. I don't know how I've not hit pan on it yet. My Kat Von D travel size translucent powder. I have my Anastasia Dip Brow in soft brown. And then I have this BB cream that I used in my dollar makeup video. It's in the shade Light. And then I have this The Balm single shadow. I have some like pigments and everything, and like brow powder. I have these 2 mini highlighters. Okay, I put my flash on so there was a little bit more light. But yeah, I just have this little Clinique eyeshadow. Just some random stuff. Like I have these Tarte highlighter drops. They're too dark for me. This iridescent liquid highlighter. This L'Oreal one that's like super old. Anastasia glow kits. I have the Moonchild, That Glow and Sun Dipped. So for drawer 3, I have just some more eyeshadow palettes. I have the Too Faced White Peach palette. Oh, you just saw me. Hi. I have the Too Faced White Peach palette. Super pretty. I have the Take Me Back to Brazil, which I used to use. It's an okay palette. I have the Morphe 35F. This looks like this. I have the plastic on it, but this is all shimmers, and then these are all matte. I have the Morphe James Charles. We all know how this looks, so I really don't have to go in depth with that. I have the Modern Renaissance by Anastasia. It's like super old, as you can tell. But yeah, they have really nice palettes, Anastasia. I really like them. I have the Prism by Anastasia, which is super pretty. I think I should have gotten more hype. It's like such a pretty palette. And Anastasia is such like a sweet soul, and like I literally will support her till I die. And I have this Fit Me powder in Fair Light. Have the oh, why is this in here? This blush is supposed to be up here, the Too Faced Quirky blush in a travel size. I have the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip palette. I got this for like 25 bucks on sale on Sephora.com. I have this Tarte Tease palette. It's like a mini little thing. I have the Don't Quit Your Daydream palette by Tarte, and this was signed by Nicole Concilio. I bought this for her to sign. That's when she was like the Tarte girl or whatever. When I met her in October 2017, she signed this. And then I have this Cargo eyeshadow palette that I don't really use that much, but it's super like pretty for like a neutral like eye. This is literally so old, but I have the BH Cosmetics Carli Bybel palette. Looks like this. I've had this since like I'd say July 2016. I really don't use it anymore. The highlighters are so nice though in this, but I just don't use it. It's not one I really reach for anymore. It was when I first got it, but since I have more, I don't really reach for this guy anymore. There's not that much in this store, but I just have my fave pair of eyelashes that I've been using lately. These are the Kiss lashes in the style Shy. Super pretty. I have 2 of these Huda Beauty palettes, the Topaz Obsessions by Huda Beauty. Super pretty. And then this one I got for Christmas for my dad. And then this one I bought at Sephora. It was like $21 on sale, the Coral Obsessions. And then I have the KKW Mario eyeshadow palette. I wish I used this more. It's like super pretty. Like this blue is like so gorgeous. And then I have this super old, if you follow like everything that Kylie does, like Kylie Cosmetics, all that, you will know that this is really old. This is like the little Valentine's kit in Kiss Me. And then I also have the Cocoa face palette. It has a blush, 2 highlighters, and a bronzer. And I have this very old, like December 2017 collection. It's a, what is it? It's a yellow gold creme eyeshadow. The only 2 foundations I have are the Maybelline Fit Me in 110 and 120. Kylie Kai shadows, like the 9 pans. This one is the Burgundy. These are super old too, as you can tell. Also because these ones are the ones she made at first without the mirrors. Now they come with mirrors, but this is the Burgundy. I used to be obsessed. I just would put this one shade all over my lid. And then this is the bronze palette. This is my go-to travel palette. I love it so much. See, there's no mirror again, but see, this is how it looks. This shade I'm about to hit pan on, I'm pretty sure. I don't know, can you see that? Yeah, you can see like the little indent. This Royal Affair by BH Cosmetics. And then I have this, I went live one time and did a look with this when I first got it. This is the Affirmation by Makeup Revolution. Okay, I got it. It's super pretty. Little organizer I have a bunch of concealers. These are all my concealers I own. I'm literally going to get more in a few days. So Ulta, public service announcement, PSA, Ulta is doing a buy one get one 50% off on everything makeup revolution. So like if you like these concealers or the foundations or anything, go before, I think May 13th it ends at Ulta. So this one's in the shade C2. This is the one I've been using a lot right now. I just got it. And then I have two big Shape Tapes by Tarte. None of these are my shade. This one I got when I didn't really know anything about makeup, in light medium honey. As you can tell, this is way too dark for my pale skin. So I used to use this one all the time if you'd watch my videos, and I was like, wait, that is not my shade. But yeah, I have two big Shape Tapes. And then I have this mini little Shape Tape. They sell these at Ulta now too, but I got this in an Ipsy bag. This is in light sand. It's just like a cute little mini. This one's about more my shade. I have the Kylie Cosmetics concealer in Gypsum. This one I ordered online and I was like, oh my god, please be my shade, please be my shade. And it's not my shade. You see how dark that is? It looks like it could be, but compared to like my face that I put under my eyes, it's way too dark. Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. And then I have the Tarte, what is this called? Amazonian Clay Waterproof 12-Hour Concealer Stick. This one I got in light medium honey when I thought it was my shade, so this one's not really my shade either, so that's why I've only used like that much. I have this very old, this was one of my first concealers. This is the Covergirl Clean Invisible Concealer in the shade Fair. Really like so old, this one. Two of these ColourPop concealers. This one is in light 10 and this one's in medium dark 34. And then I just got these two yesterday, these e.l.f. 16-hour camo concealers. I only got the only two shades they had. They had Fair Warm and Medium Peach. I got them at Walmart. I have not tried them out yet, but I'm excited to. That is it for drawer 4. So in drawer 5, I have a bunch of like lipsticks and everything like that. So these are just a few of my Kylie liquid lipsticks. I have my favorite, all-time favorite right now, Fenty Beauty Gloss in the shade Fenty Glow. This is literally my favorite gloss. Like, I cannot tell you enough. And then this is the CoverGirl Lash Blast Volume in like a mini size. This is a mini Clinique High Impact. This I got in my Ipsy this month. It's the Balm Creamy Lip Stain. And then I got this at BeautyCon this year. It's the Lip Bar liquid lipstick and So If. I haven't tried this one yet, but like the shade is so pretty. These are all my favorite go-to nude lipsticks over here. These are all like bullet lipsticks. This one is the Milani lipstick in the shade 61. So pretty. This is the Ulta Beauty lipstick in Sugar and Spice. This is the Estee Lauder lipstick in the shade Stripped. This is one of my favorites. I wore this to BeautyCon this year. And then I have this one I got in my Ipsy in September. You can see I like this one a lot. I have this ColourPop Luxe lipstick in Uno Mas. I have the ColourPop lipstick. I just got this one in Ulta because now my Ulta carries ColourPop, which is so great. This is in Appy. I have the KKW Beauty shade 5 Nude liquid lipstick. This one's one of my go-tos also. I love this one. Kylie lipstick in Miami. I have the Cosmic matte lipstick from the Weather collection from last year. And then I just got this one at Ulta. I got the Dulce de Leche creme lipstick because now like Ulta carries Kylie and stuff, so I got this one at Ulta. And my quick fix, this one's setting spray and this one is priming spray. And then this little thing back here, I'm not going to go in depth in it, but this is all my nude Kylie liners. This is my funky Kylie liners. This is a Benefit Roller Lash that I haven't used yet. This is a travel size quick fix. This is a NARS lip crayon, lip liner sharpener. And then these are all like my eye pencils. I just got this yesterday, finally. I finally got a white liquid liner. And yeah, these are just all my pencils and everything. This one, I don't want to go too in depth with this one, but this just has like creams and candles and everything. Some like hair stuff, some body wash. I have a bunch of creams. I have these Sol de Janeiros. These like mini ones. This one's my favorite. I don't know why everyone's always hyping up the where is it? This one, the Brazilian Bum Bum, because honestly, these ones smell better. The Coco Cabana, but I have 2 of these ones and then 1 of these. Candles and everything. Back there, there's like creams and everything. And I got this at BeautyCon. It's like this hair thickening. I just have like makeup bags and everything. And then in my lash drawer down there, I just have a whole drawer of fuzzy socks. It's my vanity. It's kind of messy, but I just have like this little like cubby thing. I don't really know what you call it. I have like the KKW cream shadow sticks I got at BeautyCon last year. I just have my eyebrow razors and everything. All my makeup brushes. I have my phone case here because I have to take it off every time I film, which is so annoying. And then I just have some tissues or whatever. And then like makeup removers and a Mario Badescu spray. And then up here, which is super cute, I have my favorite picture of my cat Lexi, a picture I did of my cat Luna. That cat. Is that pretty similar? And then I just put this shelf up and I have some like succulents. And then over here, I have this cute little picture I got at Hobby Lobby. And then I have some other pictures of like me with my parents and Khloe Kardashian. And then my cats again. This little picture thing I got at Michael's. And it's like me and my family at Niagara Falls, me and Sylvia Ganny. You will see my nail polish shelves. So these are all like clear coats. This is reds, orange, yellow, like 2 greens and then blues and then purples and then like pinks and nudes. And then now for this, it's kind of messy, but I have my pop figures and everything. And then on this shelf, I have like a curl mousse, a big thing of dry shampoo. And I have this pen that I got a picture of me and my dad on it. And then I just have some lipsticks up here, nothing too fancy, just some Kylie's and some glosses and everything. So on this shelf, I have some like rings and stuff. I have some of my favorite glosses. I have the Kylie Snow Sparkle. I have this one I custom made at BeautyCon last year. I have this Too Faced Sweet Peach. I have 2 Urban Decay glosses. I have this Anastasia and Toffee, this Kylie Partner in Crime, and this Clinique. And I'm not going to go in depth with this, but this is all my other lipsticks. And then down here I just have some random Kylie's, and I have a bunch, as you can see, I have a bunch of these Milani lip oils. Then down here I have just more lipsticks and some Stila shadows. And then over here I have this cute little clock I got at Target's. I have this cute little shelf. The shelves are also from Target's, from the Christmas tree shops. This is from Target's, and then these are just from the dollar store. And then I have some nail oil, KKW Ride or Die, and KKW Crystal Gardenia. I also forgot to add, I have this wax warmer that Ashlyn Duvall made me buy, because like hers is so cute, so I literally got the same one as her. And like the wax goes in the bottom, and yeah, there's that. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my makeup collection video. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and comment down below if you have any of the same products that I do and what kind of videos you want to see in the future. So I will see you guys in the next video. Bye! That could be your private island on a different planet.